What's going on, guys? This is our matter purifier program for Python. It's a Python project you can do for beginners and advanced alike. Takes into account molecular physics. Update on the particle physics. My particle physics theory that they act like little basketballs. It's not particles, guys. It's molecules. Molecules. Those are the ones that act like little basketballs. We could still get pure matter, purely clean matter off just molecules. Because at the mole level, below that is the particles, and the particles are what make up the mole. Ergo, we could have clean matter just by getting control over molecules, molecule control. Here's the code. Copy and paste. Copy it down. Write it down yourself. Pause and copy. Pause and copy. Pause and copy. The moles act like normal physics. One ball hits another, and the ball that was hit bounces off like normal physics up here. That's the theory. This is our matter purifier. It scans the matter like water. And you could look at the moles on screen. And you'll see for yourself that there's impurity in it. There's other moles in the water. To purify it, you would take out the other moles. And leave the water only, the water molecules only in there. That's what our program does. It prepares for the future. The tech is not yet available for this. But our program here writes it in code and prepares for that. Our program is upgrade ready, improvement and development ready, and hardware ready. You can modify it as well. That's it. I explained the basic concepts. See, H2O looks like a little Mickey Mouse. The green things are the impurities, the other moles that are within the water. When you zoom in on it at the molecular level, then we just remove them. You could also press space to remove all the impurities all at once. Now it's just pure water. Sorry about the particle physics thing, guys. I didn't know it was molds. I thought it was particle physics. But particle physics, there's a problem with that. The Heisenberg theory, the Heisenberg paradox, or the problem, the Heisenberg problem. You can't get the speed and the position of a particle at the same time. But at the molecular level layer, you can. Things start to become weird at the particle level. Things get chaotic. Uncertainty principle. Let's try that again. Purify the water. Press space to purify it all at once. Now it's just pure water. That's it, guys. That's how matter. It's a basic matter purifier. Water is matter too. We just use water as an example, so it's also a water purifier. But it's a basic matter purifier as well. Any kind of matter. That's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time. This is in Python programming, and it uses PyGame. See you guys next time.